Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose, depending on your trading style and the timeline, it will sort your trading style. And today we're going to make for you even for the option. So make sure to watch everything, guys. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Oh guys, as you see today that the daily candle here, it's pushing up a little bit up here, but not yet, guys. I'm going to show you something very important here in the daily today. Let me show it to you. Here, as you see it, if we zoom in here a little bit, what you see, by the way, that red one here is the 100 moving average. Here, we break it here down in that level here. The market, it went down till here. Now it's showing it couldn't break above here. If that candle is it closed, like where is the tail range? Well, that me, I told you guys, you need to enter long here, but we haven't reached to that level. As you see it, we couldn't break the 100 moving average again up. So till now, everything's still looking the same. And another thing here, very important, let me show it to you. To see it very clear, you came here, you change it from candles to lines like that, and now you see in the clear picture here, look with me here, what you got here. If you came here to that level here and you draw in here a zone like that, what you see in that zone is getting broke here. Now the market fall down here, it go back to test it here. Now if it fall down at breaking for us that last low, which is here, that's another story. If it's not, it's need that one to go back here to give us here that breakout will happen here. It's just a fake breakout. So till now we need to be waiting, guys. There is nothing yet here in the daily. There is nothing. What? There is nothing yet. We need to wait in more. And here I'll show you all those price actions here. We got here that triangle here like that, very clear triangle here in the daily. We're showing here a fake out, but we couldn't break it, and the 200 moving average here in the weekly, it's still very stronger, so there is no breaking down yet. It's still very early. And today I got for you very good news. The good news is the dead selling of USA, the reach to Adele. I posted in my Telegram channel. That way I told you guys you can join us there, because in Telegram we put more. If there is any breaking news or something, we post it there. So till now there is nothing here in the daily. And here in the daily last week, what else we said here? People they being with us, they remember that we put that two levels, that level here and that one here, and we said the Bitcoin is going to stay between 30k till 25k, and that's what happened. As you see it, we couldn't touch the lower here and we couldn't go back up. So till now there is nothing new here. Now let's go in to see for that week where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go in there to see where is the Bitcoin is going to go. Here we are, guys. As you see, next Friday is going to be 2nd of June. So let's search in here where we're going to have the option for that week. So we started here, always started where is the money. Then you start going down a little bit here. As you see, 26, we got 25. As you see, that one here. That one here is that strike here, as you see it, of 25k. Look at how many Bitcoin here. We got 681 Bitcoin as spots. The calls, we got 0 here. So the first level here is 25k. That one you need to be focused about it. Second level, let's see where it is. Now for the calls, here 29 we still have. Here 29,500, 0 Bitcoin. Let's go back here. As you see it, look here, we got high volume here. As you see it, as calls, we got here 292 Bitcoin. For the pots, we got 0 here. So the Bitcoin is going to stay between 25k till 30k all that week. That that where is the strikes and the pots. Now let's going back to the chart to drawing those levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are in the chart. Here we don't need to change nothing. The Bitcoin is going to stay between that two levels we drew the last week. That where we found 25k as you see it here and 30k as you see it here. That where is the Bitcoin is going to stay between that two levels, guys, as you see them. So that for the option, the Bitcoin is going to stay between that two levels, 30k here and 25k. That's why the Bitcoin is going to continue another weekly sideways here. And it's possible because till now people they're still waiting the meeting which is coming in June about the Fed minute meeting. That's where they are going to tell us if they are going to increase interest rate more or no, depending the data will come. Because as someone he asked me in our Telegram, he told me where else we're going to see a big move. Then me I told them till the picture is getting clear. The first one is the debt selling is getting clear now, but it's left that interest rate. The interest rate it's need to pivot, guys. You know, if we haven't pivot, there is nothing yet. That we're also still waiting here. But my advice to you, just DCA, forget about all those things, just DCA, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Over here in the 4 hours, what me I told you in the last video. I told you we got here a very stronger here distribution level here as you see it now. Very clear. We touch it lower here, and we touch it in the top 3 times here as you see it. So tell now us we need to wait in where it's going to be broken that level. If we're breaking above here, that means also we're going to enter long. If it's breaking down, also we're going to enter short. People they been with me now for some time. They remember me enter a long from here exactly from that wage, and I put stop loss down here, and I enter another short here because now me I'm holding 2 positions. I enter a short from here. Stop loss of it is it here. So till now I'm still waiting. So me I got now 2 stop loss. For the long is it here, for the short is it here. Till now I'm still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to go. Either is going to break above here, that level here, or either is going to break down here. So if it's breaking above here, it's going to hit the stop loss for the short, and I'm going to enter another long from here. If it's breaking down here, it's going to hit the stop loss for the long, and I'm going to enter another short from here. That's how we trade, guys. So till now there is nothing new here in the 4 hours. And another thing I showed it to you in the last video here. I told you we got here a triangle like that how I draw it me. I told you even that one you need to be focused about it if we are going to break here. But me now I'm focused about that one here, about that distribution level here. Because even if it's breaking here, it needs to break for me that level here. That one here, it needs to be broken for me to enter long. So my advice to you is forget about that level here and focus it just about that one here. Look with me here, you came here like that. And down here, you came, you draw it like that. And you waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to get broke. Either we're breaking above here, you enter long. Either we're breaking down here, enter short. That's it. That's the only price action you need to be focused about now. That channel here. That channel, you need to be focused about it. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's go into our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we be in here. Where is the bears? They controlling. Look now where we are. We came here to that middle here. But till now, no one is controlling. No bulls, no bears. So till now, us we still equal here, as you see it. So there is nothing new here. I showed you yesterday we got here a divergence, very clear divergence here in the chart from that level here and that one here. And we came and we draw it like that. Till now it hasn't getting broke. And the channel me I show you in the chart, it hasn't getting broke. Me I'm talking about that channel here like that and like that. It needs to get broke either off for us to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Even if that one came here, where is the bulls the controlling? If that channel doesn't get broke, don't enter long. Wait. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. And as every time I've been telling you that passion is the key of success. So now you are in a very criteria moment. You need just to be patient. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, even that one here, we show you we got here a divergence here and here. And what me I told you, the price action now. The only price action you got now. and forget about everything else. Is that one here, that channel here, that one here is the most important level now. That one you need to be focused about it, and that one, if it's getting broke, the market is going to go till here, till high here. If it's broken down, the market is going to go till 22k, guys. So you need to be focused about that level here or that channel here where it's going to get broke. Either up, we enter long. If it's getting broke down, we will enter short. Look at it. It needs to be broken here or here. Nothing else. That's the only thing you can be focused about now. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. You just smash the like button. You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please pause the video now, smash that like button now, and write with it a comment, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you here. I told you we got here a head and shoulder here. Yes or no? Here. And I told you it's breaking the neckline here. And I told you in the last video you need to enter long now. If you enter long from the last video till where we are now, all of you make very nice profit just entering from here to here. If you follow just our last video. Now what we got here? We got a lot of price actions here. That one here. You see it or no? Another one we got here, a up channel like that. You see it or no? Another price action you got here is that one here. Look with me here. If you came like that, you got here a wage. You see it or no? Another one you can even make like that. A triangle like that. That one, it's very simple now. If we break in here, that means you need to enter long. If we breaking down here, that means you need to enter what? Short, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area. So technically now you need to looking for short. To enter short, what you need to come here like that, and you drawing an out trend like that. If that trend line getting broke down here, we will enter short. That for the short. For the long, same thing. You do it like that. If that one getting broke above here, you enter long, guys. Remember that. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.